So this is the first question where the bubble grid is used. Maria plans to rent a boat. The boat rental costs $60 per hour, and she will also have to pay for a water safety course that costs $10. Maria wants to spend no more than $280 for the rental and the course. If the boat rental is available for only a whole number of hours, what is the maximum number of hours for which Maria can rent the boat? So this is going to require us to write an equation and then solve for the total time. So we know that the total cost is 280, and she can spend no more than. So if 280 is the final price, she can spend less than or equal to that amount. Now she has to spend $10 on the course, and then she has to spend $60 per hour. So if she spends 1 hour, she'll spend $60 on the boat and then $10 for the course. So for however many hours, she spends $60 per hour plus another $10, and as long as all of that is less than 280, she's good to go. So now we have an equation, which is an inequality with one unknown, and now we can solve for h. So for this, we're going to subtract 10 from both sides. So we get 60h is less than or equal to 270. And now we divide both sides by 60. This can simplify to h is less than or equal to 27 over 6. And 27 over 6 simplifies to 9 over 2, which is equal to 4.5. So as long as she spends, less than or equal to 4.5, she's good, right? Why do I keep writing 4? 4.5. But in the problem it says it can only be rented for a whole number of hours. So 4.5 isn't going to work for this boat company. If she spends 5 hours, she will spend too much money. So for this, she has to round down to 4. So this one, the answer is 4, and we bubble in 4.